Moving to the spiritual and political news, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta marked her 51st birthday in a deeply emotional gathering with the specially abled children at Jan Seva Sadan. The celebration was filled with warmth and affection as the children sang for her, recited the Hanuman Chalisa and presented handmade gifts. Overwhelmed by their love, Gupta embraced the children and shared cake and meals with them. She gifted them rupees 1.11 lakh and promised continued support, calling herself their Didi and vowing to stand by them wholeheartedly. Earlier in the day, she celebrated in her ancestral village Nandgarh, receiving birthday wishes from Prime Minister Modi and other leaders.
It was a special occasion made even more memorable by the presence of some very special guests. The hall echoed with the tune of Happy Birthday to You. The walls were adorned with colorful balloons and the sound of children's laughter made the atmosphere even more joyful. Every face beamed with hope and happiness, and amid all of this came a moment when emotions overflowed.
तो हमारी जिम्मेवारी मेरे इन बच्चों से ज्यादा बड़ी है, समाज को संभालने की भी, अपना कर्तव्य निभाने की भी। और मैं समझती हूँ कि सबसे ज्यादा जिम्मेवारी मेरी है, क्योंकि मैं इस जिम्मेदारी पे बैठी हूँ।
Even if not through words, the gestures conveyed their wishes to live 1,000 years. The action of these special children and their prayers for Chief Minister Rekha Gupta touched every heart. A unique gift from these special children brought even more emotion to the moment. In return, Rekha Gupta gave them a heartfelt return gift.
और मैं कहना चाहूंगी अविनाश, तेरे 110 रुपए के एवज में मेरी ओर से 1,11,000 मैडम इन बच्चों को जो चाहिए वो मेरी ओर से मंगा के आपने देना, जो इनकी जरूरत की चीज हो।
Surrounded by the affection and innocence of the children, CM Rekha Gupta celebrated her birthday with them, cutting cake, lovingly feeding them and hugging them with all her heart. The children gifted her handmade presents, and seeing them brought tears to Rekha Gupta's eyes once again. The love in their gifts was priceless. This heartfelt affection from these innocent children turned Rekha Gupta's birthday from just a celebration into an unforgettable memory etched in time.